Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Okay, y'all, so if you're new to my channel, I'm Katia, okay? I don't know why I'm acting like I'm nervous. Like, girl, sit down. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a review on this Ecostyler gel. I call it the gold gel because obviously the color. But this is the Ecostyler olive oil shea butter with black castor oil and flaxseeds. So yeah, I've always wanted to try this for like 2 years, and it'd be expensive. It like this size is $10 at the hair store, but the bigger size, like the big joints, it's like $5. So I use the flaxseeds, and it's the green color, not the olive oil one, but it's like green color, and it looks exactly like this, like glitter but green. I love that one. That's my favorite one, but I couldn't find it at Walgreens. I couldn't find it. I didn't have time to go to the hair store. It was already late, and I finally found the gold one, and I said, you know what, I've been trying to find this for years. I was trying to try it for years, so let me try it. And it was $6 at Walgreens. So yeah, you can get these at Walgreens, y'all. Don't be going to no hair store for $10. It really be this small thing for $10. Like, y'all tried it. So I'm gonna be it smells so good. This is the inside. So I'm gonna gel my hair. That's what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna see how that looks. So y'all gonna see me gel my hair, okay? I hope the edges come out right too. So I'm very excited. I'm really excited. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna gel on the back. I'm gonna do it like that. trying to do my edges. It don't look like I'm doing it because my hair is already a blonde color, so you can't really see it. Ooh, okay, it's pretty. Y'all probably looking at me like, what exactly is she brushing? Like, this is pretty. Ooh. I don't know what I'm brushing either. Oh Lord. I feel like I'm barely brushing anything. Alright, alright, I'm done. Oh, I'm looking at this mirror, by the way. As y'all can see. This mirror, it lights up, but oh my god. It lights up, but I have to charge it. So, that's the mirror I was looking at. This is pretty. Aha, my hair grew a lot, y'all. Okay, so it barely looked like I put gel in my hair though. That's the thing. So let's see how this looks. I'm gonna wrap my hair. I'm probably leaving on for like 30 minutes. See how that lasts. Alright, I'll be back in 30 minutes. I bet. Alright. Okay, yeah, so it's been 30 minutes. Hold on. I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna look at it. Ooh. Okay, like. Okay, it's kind of cute. My bone looks kind of cute. I'm trying to look in the mirror and see what's up. Now you can't really see my baby hairs because my hair is blonde, so you can't really see it. But it's smooth. It's not completely dry, but I like it. I like it. I fuck with it. It's just so. Alright, so oh Jesus, I'm tired today. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. let me know in the comments if I should learn how to do a top knot bun. I'm probably gonna do a video anyway, but I really want to learn how to do a top knot bun. Let me know if y'all want a low bun. I'm probably gonna do a video on that anyway. What else? Cause I used to gel my hair all the time when I was younger, like in high school. I used to gel my hair every day. You know, I do a middle part, side part. I don't care what it was. I was gelling. But okay. So yeah, like I said, make sure you subscribe to my channel.